Hello everyone, I'm back for another video. I haven't been uploading for a while. That was because of holiday, and I've been having troubles with the sound in my helmet. So I usually used a microphone. I put it in my helmet, connected to my phone. I had this app I could use and tune down the gain, but somehow after an update that's not working anymore. So I'm trying to find a solution for that. I ordered a new audio recorder with a new microphone, so I hope that will solve the problem. But for now, I got this short video with a couple of stuff I want to explain to you. In this box are a couple cans with fluids and some new blinkers for my MT-07. So let's open it up. See, okay, and the blinkers. So it's from this store, XL Moto, but they're also known as 24MX or Sled Store. They have a lot of cheap, affordable motorcycle stuff, and it's still good. The quality is still good because it's so cheap, or they can sell it cheap, because they sell in almost all the countries in Europe. From Sweden to Spain, they sell stuff. So I got this package. They had a discount going on fluids. I got brake cleaner. I only wanted this actually because I'm going to put heated grips on my Grom and afterwards also on my Yamaha. And I read that if you want to mount rubber grips, you need to spray some brake cleaner in it, because that will react on the rubber, and then when you slide them on, it goes very easy because this is a fluid, so it helps with less friction, and because it's reacting, it will attach the grip very good to the handlebars, and yeah, so you don't need glue, so you can remove it afterwards. Apparently that works. I will try it out, and I will show you guys how it's done to mount your heated grips. Now, chain loop, always useful, and got some chain cleaner for whenever it's needed. I never cleaned my chain, but yeah, it was an all-in-one package, €2 per can, something like that. So that's really cheap. Normally you pay for chain loop only €17 for a can. So yeah, that's a really big discount. Alright, onto the blinkers. What I noticed on my current blinkers is that this rubber piece over here, I hope you can see it, it was getting old and breaking, had some cracks in it, and yeah, the blinker was normal, it was neutral, but now it was becoming sad, so it was turning down. I ordered some new ones. These were €10 for a pair, so I got two, of course. I think they look nice. They're clear. They got a lot of LEDs in it, so I hope they're very bright. Because a friend of mine was driving up behind me a couple of days ago, and he told me that my blinkers weren't very visible on the front because of the headlight was too bright, or yeah, well, it overlighted, not overshadowed, the blinkers. So these are a bit brighter, I hope. They're pointy. They're also bigger than my current ones, because my current ones are like this. It misses the top half. So yeah, I hope they will work. They should be plug and play because they got the right connectors already. Yeah, I will show you how to install these, of course, but that will be done in a later video. This is it for now, a small update, and I will work on a video for heated grips, and I will show you the audio recorder pretty soon, because yeah, I hope that will be interesting for you guys. Alright, see ya.